Welcome to Savannah, Georgia, a city steeped in history, charm, and Southern hospitality. In this comprehensive travel guide, we'll take you on a journey through 15 must-visit attractions and tourist spots that showcase the rich culture, architectural beauty, and vibrant energy of Savannah. From cobblestone streets and antebellum mansions to lush parks and lively waterfronts, Savannah offers a wealth of experiences waiting to be explored. So, let's embark on an adventure and uncover the secrets of this enchanting southern city together. 1. Historic District. Step back in time as you wander through Savannah's Historic District, a beautifully preserved area filled with cobblestone streets, moss-draped oak trees, and centuries-old architecture. Explore picturesque squares, such as Chippewa Square and Forsyth Park, and marvel at stately mansions, historic churches, and charming storefronts. Take a guided walking tour to learn about Savannah's rich history and architectural heritage, or simply wander at your own pace and soak in the beauty of this quintessential southern city. 2. Forsyth Park. Escape the hustle and bustle of the city and relax amidst the tranquil beauty of Forsyth Park, Savannah's largest and most iconic green space. Stroll along tree-lined pathways, admire the majestic Forsyth Fountain, and unwind on grassy lawns shaded by towering oak trees. Pack a picnic, rent a bike, or simply people watch from a park bench as you soak in the sights and sounds of this beloved Savannah landmark. 3. River Street. Experience the vibrant energy of Savannah's waterfront at River Street, a bustling cobblestone thoroughfare lined with shops, restaurants, and entertainment venues. Take a leisurely stroll along the riverfront, browse unique boutiques and art galleries, and sample delicious Southern cuisine at waterfront eateries. Visit the historic Factor's Walk and Waving Girl statue and catch a glimpse of passing ships and riverboats as they ply the waters of the Savannah River. 4. Bonaventure Cemetery. Discover the haunting beauty and storied history of Bonaventure Cemetery, a picturesque burial ground located on the banks of the Wilmington River. Wander through moss-draped oak trees and sculpted mausoleums as you explore this tranquil oasis of Southern Gothic architecture and funerary art. Visit the final resting places of notable figures such as Johnny Mercer and Conrad Aiken, and marvel at the ethereal beauty of this iconic Savannah landmark. 5. Savannah Historic District. Art museums. Immerse yourself in Savannah's vibrant art scene at the city's renowned art museums, located in the heart of the historic district. Explore the Telfair Museum, housed in 3 historic buildings, and admire its extensive collection of American and European artwork spanning centuries. Visit the Jepson Center for the Arts, a modern museum showcasing contemporary art and interactive exhibits, and discover the creative spirit that thrives in Savannah's historic streets. 6. Cathedral of St. John the Baptist. Marvel at the grandeur of Savannah's most iconic architectural masterpiece, the Cathedral of St. John the Baptist. Admire the cathedral's stunning French Gothic Revival architecture, intricate stained glass windows, and ornate interior decorations as you step inside this sacred sanctuary. Attend a worship service or simply sit in quiet contemplation as you soak in the spiritual ambience of this awe-inspiring place of worship. 7. Savannah Riverboat. Cruises. Embark on a journey along the scenic Savannah River aboard one of the city's historic riverboats. Choose from a variety of cruises, including sightseeing tours, sunset dinner cruises, and moonlight cruises, and enjoy breathtaking views of Savannah's skyline and waterfront landmarks. Learn about the city's maritime history, listen to live music, and savor delicious Southern cuisine as you cruise the gentle waters of the Savannah River. 8. City Market. Experience the vibrant energy of Savannah's City Market, a lively pedestrian plaza filled with shops, galleries, and restaurants. Browse eclectic boutiques, artisanal craft shops, and local art galleries, and shop for unique souvenirs and gifts to take home. Sample delicious cuisine at outdoor cafes and restaurants, and enjoy live music and entertainment from local performers as you soak in the lively atmosphere of this historic marketplace. 9. Wormsloe. Historic site. Journey down a tree-lined avenue of live oaks draped in Spanish moss and step back in time at Wormsloe Historic Site, one of Savannah's most iconic landmarks. Explore the ruins of Georgia's oldest plantation dating back to the early 18th century and learn about the history of the area's early settlers. Walk along scenic nature trails, visit the on-site museum, and marvel at breathtaking views of the marshlands and Skidaway River. 10. Savannah Bee Company. Indulge your sweet tooth and learn about the fascinating world of bees at the Savannah Bee Company, a local institution known for its artisanal honey products and educational tours. Take a guided tour of the bee garden and beehives where you'll learn about beekeeping practices, honey production, and the importance of pollinators to the environment. Sample an array of honey varieties, mead, and beeswax products, and take home a taste of Savannah's sweetest treasures. 11. Juliette Gordon Low. Birthplace. Pay homage to the founder of the Girl Scouts of the USA at the Juliette Gordon Low Birthplace, a historic house museum located in the heart of Savannah's historic district. Tour the childhood home of Juliette Gordon Low, known as the Daisy, and learn about her life, legacy, and pioneering efforts to empower girls and young women. Explore interactive exhibits, view period furnishings and artifacts, and gain insight into the history of the Girl Scout movement. 12. Owens-Thomas House Slave Quarters. Step back in time to Savannah's antebellum era at the Owens-Thomas House and Slave Quarters, a meticulously preserved historic home and museum. Explore the elegant Regency-style mansion, designed by renowned architect William J., and admire its stunning architecture, period furnishings, and lush gardens. Visit the adjacent slave quarters and learn about the lives of the enslaved individuals who lived and worked on the property, gaining a deeper understanding of Savannah's complex history. 13. Savannah College of Art and Design, SCAD. Discover the creative spirit of Savannah at the Savannah College of Art and Design, SCAD, a prestigious art and design university with multiple campuses throughout the city. Explore the SCAD Museum of Art, housed in a historic railway depot, and admire its diverse collection of contemporary art and design. Visit the SCAD store to shop for unique gifts and student-made artwork, and take a self-guided tour of SCAD's iconic buildings and landmarks scattered throughout the historic district. 14. Tybee Island. Escape the city and soak up the sun on the pristine shores of Tybee Island, Savannah's beloved beach getaway. Relax on sandy beaches, swim in the refreshing Atlantic Ocean, and enjoy a variety of water sports and outdoor activities, including kayaking, paddleboarding, and dolphin watching cruises. Explore the island's charming beachfront communities, visit historic lighthouses, and sample fresh seafood at waterfront restaurants as you embrace the laid-back island vibe of Tybee Island. 15. Ghost Tours. Embark on a spine-tingling journey through Savannah's haunted history on a ghost tour of the city's most haunted locations. Join knowledgeable guides as they lead you through dimly lit streets, hidden alleyways, and historic cemeteries, sharing chilling tales of ghosts, spirits, and paranormal activity along the way. Visit iconic landmarks such as the Sorrel-Weed House, Colonial Park Cemetery, and Mercer Williams House, and hear stories of Savannah's darker side as you delve into its mysterious past. As we conclude our journey through Savannah, we've explored 15 captivating attractions and experiences that showcase the rich history, architectural beauty, and southern charm of this enchanting city. From historic landmarks and cultural institutions to scenic parks and waterfronts, Savannah offers a wealth of treasures waiting to be discovered. Whether you're a history buff, an art enthusiast, or a foodie seeking culinary delights, Savannah promises an unforgettable experience that will leave you enchanted and inspired. So pack your bags, embark on an adventure, and immerse yourself in the timeless allure of Savannah, Georgia.